In the video you are about to watch, the assembly of a DP3082 triangular connection single rotation gear pump with left rotation is demonstrated. First, the pump body is cleaned by blowing air. And a blind plug is installed on the outlet line. The pressure plates are greased in their sealing channels and the sealing kit is assembled. This can be shown with a zoomed cut and flashing arrow. The gears are installed. The top pressure plate is assembled in the same manner as the bottom pressure plate. The suction side is marked. The cover seal is pressed with the front face facing inward using a tool. Washers and the internal circlip are installed sequentially. The cover O-ring is greased and placed into its channel. A cut will be needed here. The seal tool is fitted to the long gear to prevent deformation of the seal lips. The cover is mounted, and the tool is removed. 8 M10 bolts are tightened to hold the body and cover together. Plastic plugs are installed. Thank you for watching.